Well, when it came to Mr. Hemant Soren, we took a stand. When it came to Arvind Kejriwal, we took a stand. Now, I'll point out some other contradictions. There is a chief minister by the name of Hemanta Biswa Sarma. He was in the Congress party. The BJP wanted to bring out a white paper against him. Now he is with the BJP. Where is the white paper? There is a gentleman by the name of Ajit Pawar. There was a 80,000 crore, Prime Minister himself mentioned this figure, I am not mentioning it. 80,000 crore scam by Ajit Pawar. This was the Prime Minister's speech. Now he is a part of their alliance. Where is the case? There is another gentleman by the name of Praful Patel. Air India scam. Prime Minister said it. Now he is part of their alliance. Where is the case? So there is a beautiful, sparkling white washing machine called the BJP washing machine, and there is an Amit Shah washing powder. So anybody who uses that Amit Shah washing powder and enters the BJP washing machine comes out clean.